business because we believe there's a lot of untapped potential in systems. We want to make sure that operators of pipeline system can lift that untapped potential that's there. And to do that, we are building a software platform for simulation and long-term optimization to allow people to build their own assets like a Lego system, play with it, and get more out of what they have.
The first one thing we saw, it's a cultural shift, because people, when you start playing with simulation and optimization of your assets, you actually start realizing that's how we operate it. The second one, it's hard dollars. They actually can experiment by adding or removing some business rule or how they were operating their asset in the past in a different way and see how they can save the money or not, and what is actually saves more and where. And the third one, it's of course experimentation adds another great feature where you can actually see and do something that you've never done with your assets. I think it's ability to explain how that simulation actually works and why should a person that probably never used these kind of simulations trusting that software that it's actually going to do better work than a person does in Excel spreadsheet or with 30 years experience.
Well, one is we think there's untapped potential. We're system thinkers. We are kind of saying, if you look at the whole system on a higher level, you get a different perspective, and you can start looking from new angles and say, what if I play this differently? We have a lot of support from the entrepreneurs in Alberta. We also have a lot of support from provincial and federal organizations like IRAP and AITF. They're helping us a lot. They are super excited about the bridge we are building between tech and engineering.
Where in the world it's not better than in Alberta to start an engineering company, because this is the heart of the engineers, and this is where the government and organizations were supporting engineers to innovate.
You add to it the entrepreneurial spirit that has been in Alberta for a long time. You've seen it in the flood, you've seen it during the oil sands development. The thinking here, the mindset is, let's try.
As you know, we're launching a new product in the cloud, which is totally web-based interface where users can use themselves. And for us, it's big because it's creating that first step towards software simulation engineering software for everyone. It's just, it's a true honor, and we're very thankful for that.
It's really a nice moment. We've been running so hard, focusing on delivery. And when you get an opportunity like this, you say, wow, 2 years in business, and here we are.
Yep.
That's what we got.